With great cost comes great protection, said no one. With the Galaxy S10, Samsung retained its sleek glass front and back panel along with the curved edges that came from the S9. Samsung's engineering team created arguably the most beautiful design to date, so for those who dare to let their phone be scantily clad, they can't be faulted. However, those who are willing to trade up beauty for functionality and durability, not to mention protecting your $1,000 plus investment, this video is for you. Here are the top 5 cases that I personally bought, ranging from beautifully functional to ultimate durability, without breaking the bank for the Galaxy S10, and I'll leave links to them in the video description below. Starting with the Pro case. This slim hybrid bumper case features a simplistic design while being able to retain the look of a phone without adding too much bulk. It's got tactile buttons, exposed ports for your speaker, USB, and headphones, and has minimally reinforced corners to protect from light bumps. Though it does come with raised corners to protect the screen from scratching on a flat surface, don't expect this case to protect the curved edges at all. It only comes in black and goes for a mere $14, which is a real steal. Next, we have a slightly bulkier case from I-Blason. It retains Samsung's beautiful back panel, and it definitely protects the curved edges of the phone a bit better since the sides are raised as well. I'm more confident this case would protect my phone from light drops. The buttons are also responsive. This phone does come with easy to pull tabs for the USB and headphone ports, leaving the mic and speaker ports slightly exposed, but there's no worries on this one since this phone is already IP68 certified. However, it does come with a built-in screen protector, which they did mention in their ad would not work with the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, so I can't blame them. I mainly bought this to see if I could rip out the screen protector and use the case on its own. However, unfortunately, upon ripping it out, it's gained a bit of a gap between the screen and the edge of the case, so I'm no longer confident in the edge protection as a result. Only coming in black, this case goes for $27. The next case is one of my favorites, the Defense by X-Doria. This case fits like a glove and is slim, yet has a drop test rating of 10 feet, yet still retains a glass back look. The back edges are made of aluminum, so it feels premium. It also comes in black, red, and this beautiful anodized aluminum color. The USB and headphone ports are exposed, and a feature I have personally tested is the speaker, which they ported facing forwards. Issues I've had with this case are the buttons. Because they're so flush with the sides, they're quite hard to locate by feel. The curved edges are also exposed, putting them at risk. This one is priced at $30. This next one won CNET's best case scenario in 2018. This is the SUP case Unicorn Beetle. This was my go-to case for my Note 9 last year, as it came with protection for curved edges and a belt holster. Yes, I'm a holster person. However, when testing it with this year's S10, they've removed the raised edges for some strange reason. They also understandably left out the built-in screen protector for this year. This case also has easily removable tabs for the USB and headphone port. The buttons are tactile as well, and as a bonus, comes with a pull-out stand so one can truly enjoy content on these beautiful screens. This one, priced at $34, comes in black only. So after having my heart broken on this case, I was on the search for a new one that would protect the love of my life. And then, I stumbled upon this one. The encased Rebel Armor case features a high-quality hard plastic backing with a tasteful cross-hatched rubber bezel on the front and fits like a glove while quite slim. I was pleasantly surprised to find the raised edges for the curved screen. The buttons are the most tactile out of all of the cases I've reviewed today and also felt the most comfortable in hand. This one also comes with a belt holster that is made of a durable, soft plastic and has an added feature. the kickstand. While not the most stable, it's definitely passable for consuming content. Another happy accident was to find the holster accommodate a few other cases as well, like this one, and this one, and this one. To top it off, for $21, this one is hard to beat. This case only comes in black. I think it's obvious by now which one I chose to go with. I also chose to stick with the Pro case for those days I wanted to go sleek. That being said, I believe these are the top 5 cases that are available on the market for the S10. Thanks for watching.